Are you ready for the ESL?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is I'm Joseph Chakraborty, your English teacher here, and you are Arman Pratap Singh and you are Brahmanand Jha. So first of all, Arman, you introduce yourself.
My name is Arman Pratap Singh and I'm currently studying in Gayatri Shiksha Niketan, which is CBSE affiliated in class 10.
Okay, very good. So what is your hobby, Arman?
My hobbies are typically I read many books, intellectual books and different on psychology and stuff. And my second hobby is cooking. I love it.
So which type of cooking do you like? Continental food or Indian food?
Ma'am, I can cook both, but I prefer continental.
Okay, very good, well done. So which topic you have prepared for today?
Ma'am, the topic I have prepared for today is child labor.
Okay, say a few lines about it.
Ma'am, child labor is basically any kid working which is under 18, working in any type of like tea stalls we can say, or in any like under anyone, which he gets paid for it, and due to family pressures and different kinds of their personal matters, they have to work, and which is against the law in India, because under 18 children are not allowed to work in any kind of association or organization. So children between the age of 5 to 17, they are usually in poor families, they are worked and they are forced to work in different tea stalls and as maids, or they are even in such cases they are sold out to different people for cleaning their houses or their cars, which is not legally applicable in India.
Very good. Brahmanand, do you want to ask me some questions related to this topic?
Why child laborers do work? In under what pressure they work under someone?
See, this has many topics and contexts, because every person can have different perspective in this, and mainly the poor family which they lack money and they have like 2 to 3 children, so every family they tend to like force their children to work in some small shops or their neighbors, rich neighbors especially. So for that, they are paid hourly, and many times they are not even paid. They are just abused there, and this can really affect the child's mental health as well as physical health. Which
Okay,
is really,
Arman,
yes.
tell me one thing. That have you seen the child labor in your neighborhood? Which type of child labor? How many worst types of child labor you have seen in your background?
Ma'am, the worst kind of child labor is for myself it's like working in someone else's house and working in factories where the harsh conditions are and you're not being paid that much, and even if you make one small mistake, like you can be abused there for breaking anything or anything like that. Anything can happen with that child there, and he's not environmentally safe there. And in ways like we can say that rich people like where they work, or anyone middle class family, or they
So
work
you think
there.
that it is an illegal?
Yeah,
illegal
it's
act?
illegal
Yes or no?
and it's not
Yes.
a good act. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, Brahmanand, you give
Just-
your introduction.
Of that fact that child labor should be banned across whole India, and if anyone catches that, like sentence should be there, right? A particular act should be there, article about child labor, and as of now, I don't think there is an act for child labor specially. There is a act for compulsory education and needs of the child, but for me, I would change this and bring a particular act based on child labor for that, and a fine and life sentence.
Very good. Very good.
Very good. Now, Brahmanand, you introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Brahmanand Jha. I study in Gayatri Shiksha Niketan in class 10.
Yes, very good. So, what is your favorite TV program?
My favorite TV program is Sony Set, in which Shark Tank one show comes. I love that.
Okay, very good. How do you spend your weekend?
I spend my weekend while spending my time with my families, with my friends, and doing some holiday homeworks and projects also.
That means you like to spend quality times with your family.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now, what is the topic you have selected for today?
My topic is why sports is important in students' life.
Very good topic. Okay, say a few lines about it.
Sports is very important in students' life as it develops the overall performance of the student. Sports helps in physical fitness of the student. It also helps in mental fitness of the student as it reduces stress, anxiety, depression, as well as it also improves the focus, concentration, as well as self-confidence of the student.
Very good, Brahmanan. Arman, you can ask some questions related to this topic.
Brahmanan, why do you think that sports is a necessity and it is a must in a student's life?
I think because while playing your sports, we are very focused and we are very concentrated about whatever we are doing. So this can affect our academic performance also. The well focused we are, that much focused we can also be in academics. And there is also research given that the person who is more focused as well as concentrated in sports is well performable in academics also.
Very good, Brahmanan. But you can see that some guardians are forcefully telling their child to only study, to give their time on their studies and don't go out for play. Okay, then what do you think? Is it correct or not?
Ma'am,
According to you, what do you think?
according to me, it's not correct
Yes.
because most of the parents think that